How long has he been making chairs?
मैले त अब 45 वर्ष भयो
45 years.
Oh my God. 45 years. That's a lot. Yes. Now he cuts all the lumber here at the mill.
They do here.
Yeah. Now is he making this chair for somebody?
Yeah, it's for bar.
Oh, for a bar. Oh, yeah. So what type of wood is he using?
यो सल्लो
I don't know what you call in English. के भन्छ सल्लो लाँदाखेरि थाहा तपाईँलाई? सल्लो.
Salo? I can find out.
हजुर? It's used worldwide.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes.
It's good for furniture, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. It looks really good. It's good work. What else does he make besides chairs?
Yeah, there's not only chair, there's
अलराउन्ड
all round. He's all round, like bed, sofa,
Table.
table,
Oh, yes.
dining,
विन्डो
Windows.
doors,
Oh, yes.
multi-talent.
Multi-talented. Tell him he's doing really good work.
Right?
Tell him he's doing really good work.
ए राम्रो काम गर्नुभयो अरे।
Yeah.
कति दिन लाग्छ कुर्ती बनाउनु? 2 दिन?
यो 2 दिन लाग्छ रङ लाउँदा 2 दिन लाग्छ फिनिसिङ गर्दा
All the chairs are making for a bar here. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
ए धन्यवाद